What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Max. Today we're going to build a boat for treasure. So we have like tons of wood right now, and we have this tool. So what we are going to be building is like this size of a base, and go up by like 3. That should be good. No, wait. We're gonna make it that big and that wide. Go up by 4. All right, now we're gonna add the walls. Some wood. We need to add the walls. How big should my wall be? Oh yeah, this is good. It should be like this thick and go up. Yeah. And I have other materials, so like just in case it just flips over, I could put the materials in. So let's build up. I think I need to go in. Go. Ah. Okay, it won't let me. Full box. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to do the same thing for this side. So we're going to expand it by 3. We're going to do it. Oh, alright, by 3. 3, and then go up. Alright, last area right here. Place a block. Grab this. Go up. Go here 3 times. And go here. Alrighty. Now we need to add our roof, and then we should be good to go. Wait, hold up. We're gonna... Wait. Yeah, we're gonna go up 1 for each block, so we can add like a better roof, so it can actually cover my head. And this one too. And upsy daisy. One more. Alright, that's up 1. And this is up 1. This is up 1, like I'm saying, this is up 1. Oh my gosh. That goes up 1. This goes... Okay, let me hop inside. This goes up. And this goes up. Alright, now we can start building our roof. It's going to be wood. Wood is the best material in the game. Just kidding. Alright, there we go. Look at this piece right here. Look at it. It's amazing. I think we go up 1 more. Yeah. 1 more, actually. Yeah! So right here, we're going to place like 2 chests down. I'll place these chests. 1, 2, 3 is good enough. Now we're going to place down... Yeah, last one. Okay, now we're going to place down our chair, which is going to go right here. We'll hop inside our chair. Why can't I not hop inside my chair? Now I'm in my chair. So, next we're going to add our boosters. Now we're going to add... Yes, the motor. I think this is how it's supposed to be, like that. And then we're going to add a boost right here. Alright, we're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Yeah, it works! Alright, let's speedrun this in 3, 2, 1. Speedy, speedy, speedy! Oh, stop. Oh, here we go. We'll go back up. I'm about to press it again. And here we go. Pressed again! Yeah! But why is it in the air like this? Oh, go, spam it. And it ran out. So it's upside down right now, which is really weird. So yeah, everything's glitching right now, so like, what is zooming through? Yeah, we're zooming through. If you haven't at this point, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright. Yeah, laser me. That sounds fun. No, 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 don't hit my engine. Stop hitting my engine. I need it. I need my engine. Okay. I'm getting better control now. Oh, I hate these hay bales. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay. I can't boost. Okay. Shoot, 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 shoot. Dang, this is... Oh, okay, there goes my engine. Oh, this lightning level is hard. Oh, shoot, this is hard. You might die here, guys, ladies and gentlemen. You might die here. Please don't die here, please. I'm too young. Oh, wait, wait, please close up, please close up, please close up, please close up, please close up. Here we go. I think we're going back up. No, we're not going back up. Yeah. Let's go. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. We're about to make it out alive. We're about to make it out alive. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, please, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. And I think in 3, 2, 1, we're going to start moving. Yes! We made it. Oh, look at the wood over here. Oh, no. Well, that's not good. Our wooden masterpiece is about to fail. Oh, no. Oh, no. I think our boat's about to get destroyed. Man, I might get the treasure. No, 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 no. Alright. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And someone comment down below if you want me to play this game again. Goodbye.